Hey there creative mind, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you are here. Today we are diving into one of the most stylish and functional detail in fashion design. So basically I'll be outlining the basic principles of suit measurement you need to take note of. But before that, just take a glance at the measurement and observe it before I start. I'll be starting with the neck now, so just ensure you observe how I'll be measuring the neck. For the neck, most of the times we normally measure it very fit, but I would advise you putting your two fingers on each side, you understand? This will ensure your suit to be very normal so that it can accommodate another shirt in it, because you're measuring for a suit neck, not a normal shirt neck, you understand? So now just observe and see how I array the measurements. And the next thing now, for the shoulder now, you need to take note of this crucial part now. This is not the normal and regular way you measure your shoulder, because I'll be measuring mine from the back neck point, exactly the bone where you can feel with your hand, you understand? And I'll be taking it at the shoulder connection a little bit drop, like 0.4 inch away from the shoulder. Then you times this result you get by 2, you understand? So instead of measuring it from one shoulder end to the other one, I prefer you use this pattern to save you. So now as you can see, I times the result I got into 2, so it's 20. And the next thing now is to measure the back neck to from the back neck to the back waist, you understand? So now you still put your hand at the neck part there where you can feel the bone, you understand? And take it to the deepest part of your waist here, you understand? Just make sure you are following up with the measurement, because by the time we head on to the sketching section of this series, you will understand why. So now here we'll be measuring from the shoulder to the elbow point. At this side you need to be very careful. Just observe and see how I do it now. So you'll be measuring from the tip part of the sleeve, like the shoulder connection, to the elbow point. It will be very more suitable if you're measuring a human, because you can easily tell him to like bend his arm a bit, you understand? So the next measurement now too is from the shoulder point to the forearm, you understand? Just same pattern and same formula. Just observe and see how I did it. But it will interest you so much more that all these little details matters, so make sure you take notes. So now we'll be measuring for the armhole now. So one thing you need to take note of while measuring the armhole, make sure you measure it free. Let this your lower hand, just extend it a bit close to the chest line, you understand? And make sure it's free. So now we'll be measuring the bicep. Make sure while measuring it, you just place one finger each on each side, you understand? This will actually give you a perfect fit, so it won't be too tight or too free, you understand? Just observe and see how I did mine. So now for the forearm, I still replicate same thing. Just putting one finger each on the side, you understand? But if you want it more bigger, you can put 2 fingers, just depending on the fit you need, you understand? So the next measurement now is for the chest. Ensure that you make sure the person you're measuring is a bit free, like he open his hand free so it won't affect your tape while you're measuring. And you put in your 2 fingers on each side, you understand? This will give it a perfect fit. So now we'll be measuring for the waist now. Most of the times you can just measure it using 2 fingers each on each side, but at times that would turns out to be very tight again. So just ensure you make sure it's free a bit more than 2 fingers in it, you understand? So now we'll be taking the measurement from the shoulder point here, just close to the neck, to the waist, just above the navel here, you understand? Above the navel, that will do. This will serve as the shoulder to waist measurement, you understand? So in the same vein, you measure from the shoulder to the hip point, you understand? So this part, you follow it across the navel line, you understand? And ensure you focus on the hip line here. So this will serve as your shoulder to hip measurement. Next now, for the hip width, you measure the hip width now. Just measure it, putting your 2 fingers on both sides, you understand? Ensure it's slightly free as well, you understand? So now we'll be measuring the length of the suit. Now you need to follow the measurement across the navel line, and also you follow it close to the hip line. So for a normal suit length, you just take note of where your big finger stop, and you just cross it across like that. It can serve as the length of the suit, except you have another preferred length in mind, you understand? So now we'll be measuring the hand circumference here. You can measure it just normal without putting a finger in it, because the sleeve will have an opening that will ensure it to freely enter, you understand? So yeah, now the last measurement to consider is the sleeve length. Just follow it from the shoulder across the elbow line, the forearm line to the wrist point here. Just observe and see. So all this now are the measurements you need to consider before sketching a suit. So see you guys on the next series. Thank you.